So you don't feel guilty after masturbating?
No, I don't.
No, you're lying. What?
I wanted to nut one out.
Now
and
what?
then I did that.
Yeah, but after
It's chai, bro,
you
after
get
that.
you get that chill that. What the fuck did I just do? Man? Do people actually ever stop masturbating?
I don't think people do stop.
So basically, everyone is addicted.
What do you mean, dog?
So everyone is addicted. You are addicted to
No,
masturbation.
no,
You're
just
addicted
say,
to
no,
masturbation.
no, just say.
You're addicted to masturbation.
No, Vane. I think
You are. I am. Everyone here in this room.
Listen, I think.
So basically, even now, you can go to the toilet and hit one.
No, Vane. I
You're like,
what about this one? And play.
then I put my AirPods on and like full volume. And it's like,
You are like, yeah, this one is the one.
yeah. But if
Understand.
and the lotion matters. Dog.
Like, yes.
And you need to have styles, dog. Like you can't hold
How
it.
do you do style while you're alone, dog?
It's just like now I can't show you. But
Bro,
like for instance, sometimes I just gotta put it in between the thigh.
and then say, no, man. Listen. Press something there. Listen, dog. Listen.
But I'm saying, like, honestly, sometimes you guys
Listen.
just gotta put it in the thigh and squeeze.
Yeah, I'm quite there. And then listen, man.
I don't understand people
Listen.
that don't love
No,
themselves.
no.
You gotta be able to. You trip on me. I'm
Nah, dog.
running away from the things that a person can do to you.
Look.
This is how you get zarara.
Listen, dog. What is that, dog?
Zarara is disease. This is how you catch disease.
Let's get now. He's making up diseases, guys.
No.
Look, dog. Look, babe.
Viewers restriction is advised.
Hi guys, welcome to Easy on It with Sithole. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press notification bell. Every time I drop anything, guys, you'll be notified. I'm not alone, guys. As you can see, I'm with.
Hey man, he's with Rovain Emerald. My whole Tonya, you get what I'm saying? If it ain't late, I'm not there. Yeah, so we're about to
Guys, I know, man. Like, guys, today it's a blessing. It's a blessing in disguise, guys, because we are recording this episode at Creative World Studio. Big up to the Matthews for giving me the platform. You know, yeah. So it is what it is. I think you are part of the podcast, right?
Of course.
Yeah, because they have a
100%.
podcast which is coming. So make sure you check their YouTube channel as well. It's Podheads, right?
Yeah, the potheads.
I. Bro, me, I like things that are trending. Dog. Anything that is some trend on it, something with that have like some sauce in it. I'm there, dog. I saw DJ Sbu. I think he wanted to buy more fire.
Let me guess.
Yeah. That.
Okay. I actually saw a video of the son crying after that, saying DJs would try to apologize.
Whose son now?
The guy.
Yeah.
Akiris Busiso gave. He wanted to buy more fire.
Yeah.
From
Then
the
he
guy.
put out $200 and
Yes.
says, "Do you have
But
more
now since
fire?"
the guy didn't have more fire,
Yeah.
that's where it started.
Yo,
So
that
he
guy
tried-
looked
he tried
weird.
to apologize online.
Yeah.
He tried to apologize online, but
Yeah.
people got to him.
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And so he went to the person directly to
Yeah.
go apologize.
Yeah.
Guess what?
Yeah.
He brought more fire.
Yeah, I saw Sbu Date busy trying to show him how hustling is all about. But like, yo, okay. Well, what's your take on that?
Nah, that's cap.
What do you mean, dog?
That's cap. Like personally, ne,
Yeah.
you can't go from trying to embarrass someone.
Mm-hmm.
Because like if you wanted to support, I also understand that
Mhm.
you also want your brand to be known. You
Yeah,
understand? But
yeah.
like now if a person doesn't have, like for instance, if I sell t-shirts
Yeah.
and then you're not wearing my t-shirt, does that mean like I should treat you anyhow different?
No.
Exactly.
No, Vane. But like, to me, I think it's like a business strategy
Okay.
for him getting the world to the vendor street that you have to sell more fire. Like, that's my take. Cause like how I saw it, he pulled out $200, right? The
Yeah.
guy was busy. Excuse me. The guy was busy running and everything. Ne?
Okay.
Then he said, "Do you have more fire?" Then he said, like, "Nah, I don't have." Ne? Then he said, "No, you're losing $200, dog. You should sell more fire. Which world are you living in?" Then he bounced, right? So to me, by him doing such and such while he was recording, but it's not like somebody was recording DJ Sbu. He was recording these things.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's a business strategy for getting your brand out there.
So
That
it's like every time I gotta sell more fire instead of like anything else. That
I remember this is
like,
brand. We're talking about this baby
yeah,
thing.
well, I understand that it's your brand,
yeah.
but you don't have to treat other people like weird.
No, bro, like it's not like
That guy was heartbroken.
Yeah, he was.
He was heartbroken.
He was.
So are you trying to dispute that? No, it's fine. We should
No.
continue with these.
No,
such acts.
for embarrassment wise, I'm not saying it's
So
cool.
basically, it's wrong what he did.
But like I'm saying, for on the business side of him, that was a good move.
Yeah, for
because
him.
it's got more fire trending again. You get what I'm trying to say?
More fire trending was Busisa is trending.
Nah, more fire, because it's all about we are talking about more fire here as well. You see?
All right.
Yeah. So like it was a business strategy for saying, yo, even the poor of the poorest, you have to make sure that you are selling more fire. I even saw him.
Now, like in case I walk by, then I'm gonna give you $200. Is that it?
But like you see now,
no.
Look, Vane. I saw another video follow up on the other guy, because he went back whatever trying to teach the guy how to hustle, how to handle whatever.
I saw that one, right? Brie, I think.
Yeah. He wasn't saying, yo, you have to be careful. Yeah. They're gonna rob you here if you are not active enough.
I didn't actually finish the video. I saw him where he was
just
giving handshakes to people. And
even like the taxi drivers and
brought like a lot of cans, and then I was
So there's another video where he was he gave this mommy. He even stopped there and asked, yo, moms, do you sell more fire? Then she said, yes, I think it was only one can.
Okay.
Then he took 6-pack, then he took another one and give it to that old mommy selling by the street, saying, yo. That's why I'm saying it's a business strategy, dog.
So basically, if you're selling it, he's just gonna give you more.
Basically.
He's not giving you cash.
No.
People want cash.
You are selling, dog.
That guy wants cash.
No, bruh.
I understand what you mean by saying like he could offer you and just give you stuff.
Yeah.
But like with the first guy,
but like look,
guy he broke.
But look, Vane.
Okay.
There's something that you're missing here. If I give you cash, right? If I give you cash and say
it's my choice what I want to buy and what I want to sell.
See? But me as a brand owner, I want to push what? My brand. So I must give you my brand so you can sell more of my stuff.
Yeah, but advise me well. Like, speak to me proper. Don't just like undermine me or for your views or anything like that.
No, I get it. But like I mean for you saying they should have given cash and everything.
No, like I mean like if like I'm selling something, and then I want to motivate other people to like sell it.
Yeah.
There's like personally, I also think that there's a way that's actually like more convincing than what he did. Yeah, you understand? Because he broke other people's hearts there.
Yeah, he did.
Understand?
But like, yo,
the son of the guy he broke went live and he was crying.
It says DJ's busy, but as his daddy.
Exactly. He was like, I can't suppose if we're not selling booze, what come on booze work or something like that. So,
but like, yo,
like
the point is for DJ's Sbu is to get these things selling out there.
Yeah.
So the more we talk about it, look, now we are here inside the podcast talking about these things. So the more we talk about these things, the more we're gonna buy more fire. The more fire name will keep burning. To get what I'm saying, because it's a fire. So in order to fuel that chat about more fire and DJ's Sbu, it's all about it's
but he risked it because he could also be cancelled.
Yeah, that's true.
He could also be cancelled because like not everyone was happy with that.
Yeah.
Move. I get your point of view
with
what you're saying, that he wants to get like his point across with the brand and stuff like that. For instance, would you ever say or see any other did you know, like for instance Monster?
Yeah.
It was founded by people here in South Africa.
Is it?
Yes. It's not like an international brand. It's founded here in South Africa.
But it's Illuminati that thing.
Oh wait.
It's a 666.
Ah wait.
Go and do your research, dog.
Ah wait.
Those are 6666, and when you drink that thing upside down.
Oh my God! No.
Dog, it is what it is, dog.
Hey man, we got somebody here.
Yo, dog.
No, hell no.
I'm telling you, dog. It is what it is, dog.
Hell no.
I'm telling you.
No.
Okay.
So every time you drink an energy drink, especially by Monster
Energy.
But you know, the 666 theory is literally surrounded by, it's very broad. It's in almost everything that people do.
See, Vane, people who who are ignorant.
Oh my God.
Listen,
Oh my
people
God.
who are ignorant,
I'm listening.
they are the ones who most of the time get into trouble.
Oh no.
I'm telling you that.
Okay. Emphasize.
Let's say I'm your uncle
Mm.
and say, yo, bro, you're in my care and everything. Please don't drink and drive, whatever. Let's say there's like a car like we're using here at home and everything.
Okay.
Please don't drink and drive. For me saying that, I know personally that you're gonna get to accident, or they can jack your car, or maybe you can sleep, black out while you're driving or anything. But you, because like you're a superstar, like you're a youngster, your body's full like, yo, bro, I have to go here and there and then do groove, whatever. Let's say spreading humor, they're shooting their live shows in whatever. I wanna go there to do some vlogs and everything. Then you can get an accident. So that's what I'm trying to say.
But an accident, it doesn't necessarily mean it could be my fault.
But what I said don't drink and drive this car.
No, what I'm saying is I could be drunk and still get home.
Consequences.
I could be drunk and still get home safe. But then the other person who's sober bumps me.
But like, okay, Vin, let me put it in this way. Listen, dog, listen. Okay, 100%, ne?
100%.
Okay, let me say 90% of the accident that is happening, especially like in like festive seasons, like now, like December time, or maybe it's like Easter and everything. It happens because people are drunk.
You could say it's
Dog,
most
like,
parts.
the state is out there, dog.
Most parts we could say it's influenced.
But alcohol.
We're not necessarily saying like all accidents that happen festive.
No, I'm saying
remember, other
90%.
people are in a rush to get home. They're in a rush, not necessarily drunk, and then they're not paying attention to the road.
No, but like you're missing my point. I'm saying 90% of the accident that is happening.
Okay, I'll let it slide.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
I'll let it slide.
I know. I got you.
I'll let it slide. I have a question for you.
Yeah. Okay.
Before you ask me.
Okay.
What do you think is the most fucked up thing in the world right now?
The most fucked up things in the world
Most
right
fucked
now.
up theories, whatever that people are doing now, that's
Yeah.
the most fucked up that you don't actually agree with.
I think it's this saying if you can succeed in life, it's either you have joined Illuminati or you have a snake. That's the worst fucked up thing that like right now.
It's one of the same thing that we just the past topic we just actually went out of. The one you gonna generalize.
But like you said, like now.
Yeah, like I mean, like I get what you mean, but like I get what you mean.
But like just imagine now.
Okay.
Each and everything that if let's say Creative's world studio blew up, ne?
Okay.
Become like the biggest thing on earth.
Okay.
They're gonna say no. The Mithi brothers are using Muti. It's either they have signed a deal with the devil, or else they got like some snakes hidden somewhere. Think about it.
And if they do,
they don't, because we are here and we haven't seen any snake. Dog, like,
yeah, man.
Yo, bro, like, where can he hide a snake in this studio, dog? Do you understand?
But
now,
this thing, most of the times they actually say like it's not necessarily a snake.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Yeah.
Like it's not necessarily a snake. It's like a spiritual thing. It's not like everybody who comes through like gets to see it. Like it doesn't necessarily mean like if we're here at his place, we're gonna definitely see that. If like I don't know.
Okay,
so
I never thought it in that way, but like for my take,
for
your
just
question,
put a snake there and then
for your,
you think
for your question,
why people always have snakes in their house?
Yeah, but like it's different from
wow.
I don't know, from us.
So basically, if I'm a fan of snakes and I just want to have a snake in my house as a pet,
because now it's a most I don't know most things to talk about. We're gonna question ourselves. Hey, the bro got a snake on his house. Like, what's up? You get what I'm trying to say?
I get you.
So on your case, what's the most your question right back at you?
I think it's primarily men not being given the option to choose whether they actually want to keep the baby. You understand?
Damn.
Yeah, that one is like fucked up. Cause like
that's
most
fire
women,
right there.
Like with most women, like she can say, "I don't want the baby.
Yeah,
I don't want to keep the baby," and then she aborts.
Yeah.
But then what happens when the guy says, "I don't want to keep the baby. Like I don't want the baby. I don't want to have the responsibility of taking care of someone because I feel like I'm not ready yet, or I'm
Yeah.
not there. Most men are actually forced into the situation. You get what
Mm.
I'm saying? And I don't like that thing. I don't like it. I wanna also have like the choice to say, yeah, let's agree on it. We wanna have the baby.
Mhm.
But like now, if one of us doesn't want a baby, and then it's cool on your end, and it's not cool on my end when I say I don't want the baby, and then now the government or everybody else needs to be involved. Now I'm a
Yeah.
bad person.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that's fucked up.
That's crazy though. Cause now you got me thinking about one thing now. Like
Mhm.
how f up are we as a human race? For you to be taught how to love, you have to go to church and you have to go to school. But like animals grow up knowing, yo, this is my mom, this is my pops. We are siblings here. Do you get what I'm trying to say?
No, elaborate.
I'm trying to say, like, life is not fair, especially like a human life is not
Okay.
fair.
Okay.
On your questions.
Okay.
Do you get what I'm trying to say?
I get what you mean.
Yeah. So you need to go to school or you need to go to church to be taught how to love and how to forgive. Some animals, they are born knowing very well that, yo, I have to respect this one. I have to do these things.
Okay, let's not lie on that one. I
Yeah.
think also animals
Yeah.
have a way of teaching each other.
Hence I'm saying, us, we have to
We
go
also
and
need
see.
to teach each other.
No, but like, what about like back then? They didn't have like schools or anything.
What do you mean back then? They had schools.
What do you mean they had
You
schools?
had to learn how to communicate with other people.
No, I'm talking about like your the Bushmans and what
They
not.
had a teaching themselves. Like, how are you supposed to slave? For instance, if if there was like a dinosaur,
So,
which
see?
you would have to look at someone.
I like what you said, Vane. They had a way of teaching each other.
Yeah,
So now
this is
I'm
our
saying,
modern way of teaching.
yeah, so that's why I'm saying, how f up are we nowadays? That for you to love, for you to take care of your baby, I need to take you to court. You get what I'm trying to say? Because if you don't do anything, if you don't do anything, if you don't do anything like maintain your baby or anything, she can take you to court.
This is exactly what I'm saying.
Yeah.
The most fucked up thing
Yeah.
is men not being given the choice whether they actually want to keep the baby. Like, you get what I'm saying? Because like, if I know that I won't have the strength, you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
If I know that I'm not gonna have the strength,
Yeah.
to take care of the baby, then I should be given the right
to say, yo,
to say, hey man,
don't keep it.
If you decide to keep the baby,
Yeah.
then it's on you.
So are you saying that the government is f up
to
sign?
It's in favor of women, and then men are always left to figure themselves out.
Yeah, that's true. Because
you get what I'm saying?
You can't even have the baby until is it 18 or 16, somewhere there. Let's say maybe you and your girl have like a child and everything.
Okay.
Then you are separated. You are not allowed to take your child and stay with her until she's 18 or 16.
That one depends on the situation. If the mother's fucked up, then the child is like the custody of the child.
But the rules still says, we're not talking about the fucked up part here. Let's say it's you, your chick, she's working, you're working. Do you get what I'm saying?
Okay.
You can't, she's the one who's gonna win the custody of the baby and whatnot. Even if you guys, if you can, let's say you guys have built like this huge empire, né? You have built these things together and everything. The house and cars and whatnot is gonna be taken to the chick.
And now what happens if I'm the one who didn't buy them? That means the house is coming to me, right?
If you didn't,
if she's the one who
a man is always losing at this point, dog.
You see, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah. There's no way, dog.
This brings another thing.
For you, there's no way, dog.
Says it's fucked up. Like the world is fucked up for men, bro. The most fucked up thing, is for a man.
But like
to be able to choose.
But on my take, the only man that I think he was fixing, and until everything gets spilled, is this the guy who slept with 400 women.
You call that fixing?
Dog, he was fixing, dog. He's fixing the country.
He's literally
what do you mean?
Going through courts right now because of that thing.
Okay, but like
bring him down still.
But like, what's your take on that guy? Ghanaian, what?
I know his name starts with a G.
Yeah.
All I can say is,
that
guy got stamina, bro. That guy got stamina.
Yeah.
And what I'm gonna say is that guy got stamina, and
so, okay,
he can
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, like I was saying,
Mhm.
that guy has stamina.
He has stamina for days, dog.
Yeah, he should be an advert of maybe
Men's clinic or something.
yeah, or what is this, Imbiza or something.
Oh,
We
okay,
gotta
I
see his
got you.
face.
Oh my
We gotta
lord.
see his face there.
Yeah,
If his
yeah.
face is not on the bottle, we're not.
You're
buying
like,
it.
hey, that
If-
thing,
if
that
his
shit ain't
face-
working, dog.
if his
We need
face-
the one with the Ghanaian or Guinean, whatever. Yeah.
I don't
Nah,
know. I don't know his names. That's
yeah.
with a G or something.
Yeah, I
But
think,
like in
yeah.
general, a lot of things.
Whatever, Guinean,
A lot of things are fucked up.
whatever
With
that guy. But like, bro, like, how do you have sex with like 400 women
well, if they say yes,
taking videos?
well, if they say yes,
You got like a 2 tera of porn.
okay. How many women in your inbox would let you smash right now?
I don't know, man. Not more
But
than 10 or something.
Not more than 10.
Yeah.
Not more than 10.
Yeah.
So we're actually saying that at least 10 would let you smash.
I don't know, man. I ain't attractive like him.
No, it's not.
Maybe
about
three.
that.
Maybe
It's-
three.
It's not
I
about
ain't
that.
yellow bone.
What I'm
You
asking
get what I'm
you
saying?
right now, it's not about
Yeah.
being yellow bone.
Yeah.
There's women that prefer
No,
dark,
no,
man.
no,
Like,
no,
you
but
know, they-
like-
they have this thing that if you dark, you got that. Yeah. And then she looks at me and then she thinks, yeah. Going back to the thing. How many-
Nah,
you said
dog.
less than. Wait, not more than 10.
Yeah,
right.
not more than
So now,
10.
if all of them they got here,
Mhm.
not necessarily here, but at the
Yeah,
same time,
yeah,
but
yeah.
like, if they all texted you and said, "Hey, please come smash me,"
I ain't running to that shit.
would
dog.
you say no?
Nah, yeah, definitely.
Why would
no.
you say no?
Yo, bro, like,
If you have
I believe.
women not less than, that means you're also
Okay.
mingling with them. That means you're giving them the
Vane.
impression that I
No,
want to
Vane.
smash you.
Listen, dog. How I take things, ne?
Oh, okay.
How I take things is this. I don't know. Maybe it's how we grow up.
Okay.
I don't believe on women giving me the go ahead first. To me, like I write you
No,
off. I
remember-
write you off just like that. If she can say
We're not saying
what
today.
exactly,
We're not saying today.
but like
We're all these days,
yeah,
you're the one that was given the impression that I want to smash.
yeah,
You understand?
yeah.
So finally today she
Yeah.
feels like she wants to give you a visit. You get what I'm saying?
And
She
say,
wants-
so yo,
she wants to like.
are you available,
She
dog?
wants to let you smash.
I'm gonna say it's a red flag.
How is it a red flag?
Like because like I'm used as much as I'm saying.
Oh no.
This is how I grew up. So for me,
Oh, no.
for somebody just to rock up at me and says, "Yo, I want to give you the punani." First thing first to me was like, "Is she sick? Why now?" Because I've been trying you the whole years and stuff.
Yeah,
Like,
because, like-
why now, dog? Like
Okay, wait.
I got like that thing in me that I say, yo, hold up. Like, why today? Why not now? Is she pregnant? Is she sick?
Oh.
Is she? Do you get what I'm trying to
I
say?
get what you mean.
Yeah, because
what you
the
mean.
world now is upside down, dog. As much as you are saying that it doesn't favor us,
I get what you mean. I
maybe
get what
she
you mean.
wanna sleep with me. At the end of the day, she says she need like 10K, which I don't have.
Okay, let's say that none of those things are
Yeah.
there. Would you smash?
Still no,
Why not?
because I'm not bad like that. I question myself if
Oh, no.
if things are handed
Oh,
over
no.
easily, dog.
No.
Vain, no,
No.
Vain, no, Vain.
It's not part
So
of our-
are you telling me that you just
uh,
run into like?
Where are you from?
I'm from Lipombo. I'm from
No.
Amazonga.
No.
I'm telling you, dog.
No.
What do?
No.
Dog,
No.
I'm telling you, I'm not running,
So you wouldn't smash?
bruh. I'm running away from fire. I'm
No,
not.
I hope
I'm
you're
not.
not saying this. Are you in a relationship?
Yeah.
That's why.
What do you mean that's right?
That's why, bro. That is why. Because like if you're in a relationship,
Yeah.
you try to sound like this perfect guy.
No.
Like you get what I'm saying?
No,
Like,
no,
you're like-
wait, no, you're getting
No,
me wrong, dog.
no,
if
like-
if I wanted to sound like a perfect guy, like no, man,
No, I get.
I was not supposed to say on my inbox maybe
You
10.
got a cloth. You got a cloth there. Wipe my thingies out. I see he's also sweating.
Yeah,
from-
dog.
from
Yeah, I'm
his
bending
pushes.
up, dog.
Yeah, but like I'm saying, like,
Mm.
see, if you're in a relationship, you try not to sound like, or try at least,
My back are like a twitch, dog.
you try not at least not to
something
give
like
your
that.
chick like these insecurities.
No, dog. She knows I used to. She knows I used to wild, bro. Wait.
All right.
I gotta cut this part.
Oh, she knows that you used to. No, we're not cutting anything.
Yeah. She knows I used to wild, dog.
And then she still let you smash.
Yeah. And like fucked up part. Let me tell you something about my relationship, right?
Mm-hmm.
A crazy thing that happened to me. Ne? I used to be like a little bit of like a player.
I think most
Right?
guys start out like that.
Yeah,
if lucky, of course.
But look. So you know what happened? I dated her a year, and she didn't let me smash, and then they didn't even.
You with it the whole year.
The whole goddamn year, Vane. The whole goddamn year, dog.
Now, what were you doing the whole year?
I was wilding, of course.
Oh, so you were still dating other people?
Yeah. It's not like I was just chilling, being celibate, and saying I'm waiting. Yo, we do, dog.
I know.
What do you mean, dog?
That year of your relationship, we shouldn't count.
What do you mean, dog?
Don't even count that. If
busy.
You were saying you guys are 10 years, you are 9 years. We don't count the first year.
Bro,
we don't count. If you were busy with other people, we don't count it. We count your relationship with years if like that's just the only person you were with.
Nah, dog. It's a cap, dog. Nah. You can't tell me that now, Vane, that like the chick that you're dating now. Okay, let me put it in this way.
If you're gonna have more people, doesn't count.
What do you mean?
Nah, it shouldn't count. It should only count if you only focusing on one person. But unless if you're not a monogamous man.
That's not possible. What you're saying is not possible.
Like I'm just saying.
As guys, you know.
Aye. I don't
Stop lying.
I don't like. I'm not associated with any of those guys stuff. You get what I'm saying?
Are you telling me right now that you only date like one chick?
Yeah. Yes.
That's a cap.
Facts.
That's a cap.
That's
a cap.
Here's my phone. Here's my phone.
Bro,
I
can see a player a mile away, dog.
No.
I'm good like that.
How do I put it? Then your good tactics they ended before me.
You can see the screen in you like this one, bruh.
If I'm to tell you, I have this persona that like I'm out there. But honestly, I am so reserved. I can only date one person at a time.
Is it?
Yes, I'm monogamous like that.
I don't believe this.
Facts.
I don't believe this.
Facts.
You
the most annoying thing for me is to drive off insecurities. Like when I'm in a relationship, I don't want to have these things where I feel like she's here.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? She's constantly trying to be on my phone or anything like that. Nah.
So okay.
Like if the relationship ends, it rather end on my terms. Like for instance, like I treat her bad.
I have a question for you.
And stuff like that.
I have a question for you now.
Yeah.
When it comes to this relationship type shit.
Where?
No, this one is easy.
Where?
This one is easy, dog.
Yeah, we left DJ Sbu.
This one is easy, dog. This one is easy, dog. Listen.
Cool. I'm not afraid of it.
Okay. Listen. Let's say there's a girl that you like this honey, so bad, right?
Yeah.
But she got like kids or two, eh? Let me say she got
I
2
won't
kids.
date you if you got kids.
Is it?
I won't date you if
For real?
kids. I won't date you. I don't even mingle with you, bro. But like,
are you dating to marry or just to date?
What do you mean? Me, man, I want a family.
It's a question. Bro. Are you dating to marry or you're dating to have fun or like to grow together?
I want to have fun and also like start things.
Are you dating to? Why is this so difficult for this nigga to answer?
Like
are you dating to marry or to vibe? See?
Wait.
See, guys, I told you guys I can smell it.
I want you to.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't wanna.
Yeah.
Say certain things. I won't like that, but like I'm gonna say this.
Okay. Yeah.
It happens that you date someone,
Yeah.
For instance, they don't believe in marriage.
They don't believe in marriage.
They don't believe in marriage.
Why are you dating from the first place?
Hey. It's my option, no? Is it not? Like it's
bro.
So every time I need to date someone.
Are you saying
from all the chicks that you were dating,
Vane,
since you were a player,
Vane,
did you want to marry all of them?
Bro, like you see,
you're
beating around the bush, dog.
No,
what's wrong with you?
Like you
just
like
now you're
okay, Bon. I wanna be married.
Look.
I wanna be someone else's husband, and then that's it.
With kids,
of course, my kids.
Oh no. The question was, can you date a honey
No.
with 2 kids?
No.
This nigga is
First of all,
compromising
first of all, let
himself.
me put it this way. Let me tell you why I'm saying no. Let me tell you
Yeah.
why I'm saying no.
Yeah, go ahead.
First of all, if she got 2 kids,
Yeah.
from one guy or
It doesn't matter. She got like 2 kids.
for me the value is way down.
The value.
She went down. She hit rock bottom, bro. Other people can date them,
Yeah.
like openly, like you can
Yeah.
take all of them, guys.
Yeah.
Don't even keep one. Don't even
Yeah.
keep one. Date all of them. Me, I want you as you are, cause I come as I am.
Yeah,
You know what I'm
yeah.
saying?
Yeah.
I come as I
But
am.
like now you were a little bit sounding like like I can date a chick even if it doesn't matter if I smash or not. Like I can just date because I love her and everything. There's no such a thing.
Me, I can date you, bro. Me, I can.
Another
if she's-
curve.
If she's like
Stop lying, dog.
me, if she has like things I consider like a no, like
A guy.
red flag for me is she got kids.
A guy. I know a guy can push, like you can push a year without smashing and everything, né? But at the end of the day, you know what you're pushing. If the chick, you're gonna say, yeah, you know what? I'm waiting to reach 21st. Let's say maybe you're dating her, she's 18 and everything.
Yeah.
You're gonna wait because you wanna taste that cookie so bad. So you have a patience. Bro, people drive from here to Eastern Cape just for 1 round and drive back to Josie. That's a man right there, dog. That's a man right there. I'm telling you, dog.
She's not the main chick.
Am I lying?
She's not the main chick.
No, but like I used
Either the guy knows that there's a guy there
Mm-hmm.
and he's out of town. A man wants to be close to his woman.
Okay.
If your woman, she's gonna be there.
Yeah.
Like in Durban and
Yeah.
stuff like that, and
Yeah.
you hear,
Yeah. Okay.
Aye.
Okay.
I don't do long distance relationship. by the way.
Okay. Another question for you.
I used to, and then
If-
what you remember? Let me tell you what she said.
Yeah. This is a long distance relationship.
Yeah,
one.
this is a long distance relationship.
Okay.
So when I said what I said to her was, because I constantly went to her.
Yeah,
You know what
yeah,
I'm saying? Like
Yeah, the one who's always traveling.
always
boom,
traveling.
boom, boom,
And
yeah.
then so this one time, like I
And
get
she's
tired.
she's not coming to you.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this one time I'm like,
Yeah.
hey yo, why don't you pull up? She's like, hey, me, I don't want to come to like your hood. It's like I don't think the air is right for my nose or my lungs, anything like that. I was like, what the fuck, this bitch?
There's dating fly hands, guys. Yeah.
Honestly, like she
Yeah.
honestly, she was like that.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm not, no cap.
Yeah.
She had like, okay, her background well fed off.
Mm.
You understand? Go with these what Babara, what is this car with a B?
The Brabas.
Yeah, Brabas,
Yeah,
whatever like that.
yeah.
These Bentleys, they
Mm.
whatever. So now I'm like, pull up.
Yeah, she was like, yo,
She's like,
I ain't coming.
I
that
ain't
time.
coming to your hood, bro. I don't
Yeah.
think that air is right for my nose and my lungs. It's just
You're like, what?
I knew right there, bro. I knew right there
Yeah.
to end.
Like, I'm
So
catching
this,
this
see
thing.
now,
Yeah.
if you're gonna date someone like out of your, not necessarily that she was out of my prime. You get what I'm
Mhm.
saying? Because when I found her, hey man, I think she actually got a boyfriend there.
Yeah.
There was a new guy
a
involved.
similar thing happens to me.
There was a new guy
A
involved.
similar things happens to me. I was pushing with this hand in high school, right? Pushing with this hand like for so long, dog.
Mm-hmm.
Like she's got like them calves, good looking and everything. She was like bold like that. And then she's just not light skinned, but like she's not even dark as well. Like
Okay.
just a nice fly hand, dog. Yo, push with that hand like for 6 months and more. Nothing happened.
No smash.
Only to find out that the guy that hit that chick, he didn't even like sweat, bro. I'm sweating right now.
That's
the
what
guy
I'm
didn't
saying,
even
bro.
sweat. Dog.
This is also the thing.
Yeah.
You waited a year to smash your
Yeah.
girlfriend, but if she cheats on you right now,
Yeah.
what if she has?
You mean like my chick?
Yeah, what if she has?
The previous one?
No,
or
no.
the
Wait.
current one?
Which one are we talking
No, we're
about?
talking about the things that happened to me in high
Yeah,
school.
I get it. There's this relationship that you waited the whole year.
Yeah. I'm still with her that time.
You still with her.
Yeah.
You wanna find out if she like?
No. Why do I want to stress, dog? I don't care.
Oh,
As long as I don't find out.
that's what I'm saying. I can help you find out.
No.
Honestly,
This guy is crazy. Look, dog. Listen, Vane. You see me
Hey,
how.
I'm not saying yo inbox me.
Listen.
Nah, I'm gonna be doing that jupe stuff. I'm just saying, like,
Listen,
I can
Vane.
help you find out.
Listen, this is how I'm built, ne?
Okay.
I don't go through phones and stuff.
It's not about going through her
No,
phone.
no.
We're not even touching her phone.
Dog, I'm saying.
I'm not gonna even touch her phone.
No, I'm saying.
I'm not gonna even touch her phone.
Listen, Vane.
The way you're gonna find out, it's gonna
Listen.
be nice, smooth.
Listen, my dog. I'm saying I'm not that kind of person who's gonna like look for files and everything.
Me, bro. I sense some negative vibe, or
You're out.
I sense.
You start
I find
searching
out-
things.
I don't care whether the relationship is 10 years or
You start googling.
I start feeling weird
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I find out.
Yeah. That,
gone.
yeah. Yeah. No. Okay.
I'm gone.
Yeah. I fail.
No, I don't do second
Yeah,
chances.
failure
I don't-
on that one. Failure
Gone,
on
bro.
that one. You
I'm
cheat,
gone.
we gone. But like I'm saying, I don't look for trouble. I don't want to look. 'Cause-
So what do you mean you don't want to look?
yeah.
Hey, bro, keeping tabs is very important.
No, dog.
Yeah.
No, dog. Guys, if you want your relationship to last, stop going through.
It's
your
not about
honey's-
lasting. You need to last with the right person. It's not about lasting with the wrong person.
Bro,
You know what I'm-
like,
you don't,
no,
hey,
babe.
yo, don't lie to yourselves. Don't
Yeah.
lie to yourselves and say this relationship is 10 years. No. If
Oh,
if
this
it's
is crazy.
if it's not the right person, the right person.
So
acts
are
right,
you
bro.
are you telling me that like you and your hand, you're going through a phone now and then just to keep track, like if things are still smooth?
Bro, you trip on me.
Yeah.
You trip on
No,
me.
I'm
gone.
asking you, dog. Like,
Yes,
damn, this guy is crazy.
bro. You trip on me. I'm gone.
Nah, dog. Me, I don't play those games, dog.
You're just running away from the truth.
No.
You're running away from the things that a person can do to you.
Look.
This is how you get Zarara.
Listen, dog. What is that? What is that, dog?
Zarara is disease. This is how you catch disease.
Let's get now. He's making up diseases, guys.
No.
Look, dog. Look, dog. Look, man.
Like
look,
on the
man.
real, this how people catch Zarara
This
because
case is crazy.
hold up. Like,
Dog.
Like,
What I'm trying
this
to
is why
say.
people catch Zarara.
It
because
is it,
You
yeah.
you guys are afraid
No,
to
no.
keep tabs on your partner.
Listen.
If your partner is doing cock,
Listen.
if your partner is not legit with you, bro.
Listen, dog. No. I
Cut that shit
understand.
out.
Yeah, look, I understand. For you cutting the chick off if she's doing some weird
What if
stuff.
during that year
Yeah.
she was busy? Also, was she virgin when you smashed?
Yeah, she was.
Ah.
She was, dog. She was, dog. I'm telling you.
She was just not feeling you straight, bro.
No, she was.
She was like,
Look. She was those kind of honeys who make like rules and follow them and don't break them. She was like strictly like that. Because when I was dating her, I think she was still 17 or something. She said, "Yo, I ain't giving out this cookie until I'm 18."
17. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that one I understand.
Yeah.
And how old was you?
I think
60 or
no. I think I was. Was she 17, 18? I think I was 19. I was 19. Yeah. I was
okay,
19.
so you had to wait like. So was it as soon as, like her birthday? Maybe it's like when November,
May.
May.
Yeah.
So you had to wait like a whole year and a few months
Yeah.
to smash.
Yeah.
But at least you were busy with other people.
Yeah, Taco.
Of which
You got a nut
Now-
somewhere somehow.
now let's put it this way. Let's
Yeah.
say that this thing was like the other way around,
Okay.
and you were the chick, and then she was doing this thing, and then you're still virgin,
Mm.
and then
Find
her-
out.
she comes.
Yeah.
I mean, he comes.
Yeah.
Since you're the chick,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And then he smashes you,
Look.
and then you get Zarara on your like for the first time
Look.
because the person has been smashing other
Look,
people throughout the
look,
year. That's what I'm
look.
saying. Yo, keep tabs on your partner.
Nah, listen.
Like there's no way you're gonna
Nah, guys. If you listen to Vane,
Nah.
you'll be jumping from relationship to another relationship.
Until I find the right person, of course. If like
There's no right person. You just make your right person talk. There's nobody's gonna come from heaven and say,
how do you make your person? By keeping tabs. You being ignorant, it's not keeping your person.
That's true. I hear you there.
You
are cooking there.
if you
I
wanna
hear
mize,
you,
if
dog.
you wanna mize and say what's in I me, I don't want to check the phone.
Yeah,
or
yeah.
I don't want her to check
Yeah,
my
yeah,
phone. You
yeah.
get what I'm saying? You're lying to yourself.
But like, do you know a chick?
How is the person supposed to tell
If
you?
look, if
I don't like this.
Look, Vane. If a honey wants to cheat on you, she can give you your goddamn phone, and chill and go, and do whatever on her phone, and find nothing, and be comfortable while she's effing other guys outside.
Well,
If a honey wants to play, that's why most of the time they say, listen, Vane,
let me put it this way.
most of the time they say is we are the ones who are clumsy when it comes to cheating and stuff. But women, it's not like they don't do it, but they're smarter. Do you get what I'm trying to say?
What I'm gonna say is, if she's in a relationship with me,
Yeah,
and she thinks she's gonna hide,
yeah. We gotta jump on the unleashed here.
Me,
Yeah.
it's just that I don't want to say certain things, but
Yeah.
like with me, bro, I reveal stuff.
No, I hear you.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna try and like.
But
follow
me,
you.
I'm not doing some crazy research and trying to find out you did it to who before me and whatnot.
I'm not talking about those.
I ain't doing those.
I'm talking about your partner.
Yeah.
Now you are the partner, Kiri. You're the main part. There's nothing for you to like.
Yeah.
If the person is not doing great with you, what's that?
I know, I hear you, though. Do you have anything that you wanna ask me?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Let's cook.
Do you think masturbation is like addictive?
Yeah, it is.
Were you once addicted?
Not really.
So how do you know it's addictive?
Because
What?
wait. Do you smoke? And I'm talking about your vapors and whatnot. Do you smoke?
Like cigarette?
Yeah.
No.
But do you know that cigarette is addictive?
So they say.
So they say.
Yeah, there's people who,
But like, see, same answer. It's not like you once smoke or anything, but you know it's addictive because you see these things happening. But I ain't saying I've seen people masturbate.
But regardless of whether,
but I'm
like,
just saying.
do people ever actually stop masturbating?
But I'm just saying.
Nah. Do people actually ever stop masturbating?
I don't think people do stop.
So basically, everyone is addicted.
What do you mean, dog?
So everyone is addicted. You are addicted to
No,
masturbation. You're
just
addicted
say,
to masturbation.
no, just say.
You're addicted to masturbation.
No, Vane. I think
I am. Everyone here in this room.
Listen, I think.
So basically, even now, you can go to the toilet and hit one.
No, Vane. I think. No, Vane. Listen, I think a right word. I think a right word is not the addiction. It's every guy does it.
Not every guy, everyone.
What do you mean, bro? Even
don't-
ladies, even chicks.
Yeah, those ones are worse. Those ones are worse. Those, you got like different kinds of dildos on top of that one. Like, one minute big,
What are you saying, dog?
Like,
Yeah.
like it would be so weird. Especially like if she's like mostly alone.
Hey, this guy is
Or
crazy.
she has this OnlyFans account or she's
Yeah,
trying to start out.
Yeah.
Dog. She got different kinds of stuff.
Yeah.
And did you know that males have actually like vibrators as well?
What? Males have what?
Vibrators though.
Vibrators.
Yeah.
You don't need a vibrator, you need a hand, which you have.
Sometimes.
What is vibrator for what, dog?
Sometimes.
What
dog,
are you
it's-
saying,
It's
dog?
the adventure. It's like the process. The very same. It's like.
No. That is the first time I hear this,
I
dog.
don't understand people who don't
Wait,
have foreplay
wait,
with
wait.
themselves.
Wait.
You need to give yourself foreplay. You can't get straight to it, like, nah, dog.
You need a lotion, you need a tissue. You need a lotion, you need a tissue.
Nah, bro.
Then
Like,
imagine, or maybe go to Twitter or check the X videos there.
me, what I'm gonna say, if you're not gonna have foreplay with yourself,
For play with this, bro. The point
well,
of you going to the toilet is to nut one out, not to have.
not just to
no,
nut.
what are you
It's not
saying,
just-
dog?
this is why you feel guilty afterward.
This guy is crazy. Hey, today I got someone. Yeah. What are you
Honestly,
saying,
this is
dog?
why men feel guilty after masturbating.
No, I think masturbation.
So you don't feel guilty after masturbating?
No, I don't.
No, you're lying. I what?
I wanted to nut one out,
Now
and
what?
then I did that.
Yeah, but after
It's
you
chai,
get,
bro,
you
after
get
that.
you get that chill that. What the fuck did I just do, man?
What are you saying? crazy, guys.
After that shit, you just like, I fuck.
Yeah. Yeah, like it's just not worth it. That's what you're saying.
Cause you realize like, wow, this is not the right way I'm supposed to be doing things.
Yeah.
Like,
it's not the right way.
it's
You are
not
right.
just about coming.
But it's a shortcut.
Yeah, but you know exactly deep down that this is not the way I'm supposed to do things.
But that's why you don't need to foreplay yourself, because that's one is for pleasing the lady there.
Foreplaying is better because you still get a chance to decide whether you actually want to go on with this. But now, if you're gonna,
how do you foreplay yourself, dog?
like I mean, especially with these toys.
Like what kind of toys are we talking about?
For instance, the first one with me, it has to be the correct video. Like,
okay, that I understand.
Like if it's not gonna be the right scream, I need that the proper one. It's not just anyone. Like I can go through that X whatever website on Twitter. Be like,
you're not the one. You're not the one.
Yeah, like
what about this one? And play.
Then I put my AirPods on like full volume.
You are like, yeah, this one's the one.
Yeah. But if it's like weird sounds or if the guy is too much,
okay, but like, look, but like I still want to understand.
And the lotion matters. So, you don't want to use any lotion. Oh, you don't want to use a lotion now that I don't know. It fits. No, like on a real. You don't want to use just any lotion.
Yeah.
You want something, man. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
All of these tools are very important. Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
But like, still, but wait. But you still, you haven't answered me. How do you foreplay yourself? You are saying you're choosing your right video, which is correct. Yes.
And you need to have styles, dog. Like you kind of hold
How do you do style when you're alone, dog?
It's just like now I can't show you. But
what are you saying, dog?
No, what I'm saying is, like, I think I feel guilty, ne? If I didn't put effort in it. Like,
yeah.
It has to be a journey, bro.
Yeah.
Like,
bro.
Like, for instance, sometimes I just gotta put it in between the thigh.
And then say, no, man. Listen. Press something there. Listen, dog. Listen.
Press. What I'm saying, like, honestly, sometimes you guys just gotta put it in the thigh and squeeze.
Yeah, I'm quite there. And then Listen.
I don't understand people that don't love themselves.
No.
You gotta be able to like give yourself that thing, man. Like,
but
I went hard.
Like, you don't need that. A lady should give you that.
I know.
A lady should give you that. That's the only way. It will help you to go and hustle for a chick if you don't have. Because playing yourself is just to not one out. It's a shortcut for having a chick with you. No. So that's why you don't need this. Your vibrators. Wow, for what, dog? What are you vibrating? Your ass?
You gotta. No, so, it's not like you put it on there, and then there's like a switch that you put on. Then I don't know how it does it, but
wait. Are we talking about like a female vibrator?
No, for males.
Yes, but like
that thing
with a coochie in it.
It goes like this, bro. Like,
wait, they got like a coochie in it.
Like it's like that, but like I don't know if these toys we can be able to like.
This one gonna be
like we will show them on the screen. I'll show you the picture.
Yeah.
Have them display.
Yeah.
But like,
one day this guy's gonna be electrocuted on the dick.
No,
guys.
like I'm just saying, like that's why like it even falls. Like that's why it falls. You ever got like a nice chick and then like now you're trying to do it and then it just does like this. Like it doesn't go in. It hits the wall like this.
Yeah, when you have sugar, it does that.
No, even when you don't have sugar.
Or else,
or else.
No, or else.
And then it bends, and then now it can't even.
Or else, maybe the chick is sick or something. Do you know, like, the Dixon can sense Sometimes
No.
I'm telling you, dog.
Whether she's sick.
Yeah.
You guys have sick detectors.
Sometimes
You guys walk around with sick detectors.
I'm telling you, sometimes if it doesn't get up, there's something wrong with the chick. Wow, like, yo, we don't have sugar, we don't have anything, but like, he's not getting up. Why? What's the reason? Do you understand?
Maybe you're addicted to masturbation. If it doesn't get up,
Yeah.
maybe like you're addicted to masturbation. Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Because it happens, bro. Like, for instance, if you're going to be doing the foreplay,
I saw Sino saying on open chat and saying that, like, even if sometimes, like, I have like a chick with me and everything, sometimes I go and yang one out before I
I did that once.
Before I ask her right at the bank.
I did that once.
I was like, what?
Because like it sucks when, for instance, if you are like wanna remember the first round, like especially if you guys
That's quick.
you wanna make sure that you do
You take
the right
time.
things.
Yeah.
Like now, sometimes with the first round, I find myself like looking at the curtains. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah. Taking your time of your life there. Ignoring everything.
I'm
Counting chairs on the studio lights.
Yeah, but
Saying all this crazy stuff now.
but then not.
Yeah.
That one is not important.
But like, you can't hold the first round. That one is quick.
It depends.
That one is quick, bro.
It depends.
Me, I start counting on a second one. That's what I'm gonna say. Now we are Ashkarining now. The first one.
But you must remember with the second one, if it's for you, it's not for the chick.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
Hence I'm saying that the second one, that's why I start counting.
No, what I mean is you can decide to go second round.
Yeah.
And now she's not as on as she was. Now she's, for instance, and then like
what do you mean?
The vagina is painful.
No.
Vagina is painful now.
Women, the more you go, the more they become like horny as fuck.
I actually don't think so.
I think so. I have seen these things, dog.
I actually don't.
You see,
think
where you're saying you are tired, like you're done. That's where they need you the most.
What I'm gonna put it this way.
Yeah.
Ne?
Yeah.
This is why foreplay is important.
Yeah, that's true.
2,
you must take your time, of course.
Having someone who feels you. That one is also important.
That's true as well. Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Because you can go for years smashing, and then you think every time she's coming and she ain't.
Yeah, that's true.
And then she finds just one person.
It took
just right now.
You know DJ Envy, yeah?
I don't know.
Breakfast Club in the USA.
Aye.
You don't know?
Aye.
Charlemagne the guy, DJ.
Oh
Envy.
yeah.
DJ Envy. It took him 20-something years with his partner. She was not coming, and he thought like, hey, I'm doing it. And
that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
It doesn't mean even
So
if you
like,
go the second round, you're gonna satisfy.
No, I'm saying what you're saying is correct. You must know.
You must have someone
who feels you. As much as you are saying, somebody who feels you, and you guys must communicate.
Yeah,
she
during
must
that thing.
She must tell you where to touch the right buttons.
Yeah, you might wanna go there.
DJing there.
No.
This is some crazy stuff there.
That stuff must.
Yeah.
So you guys need to be more open to your partners and telling
that's
them
true.
that, hey man,
ladies,
you don't have to do it like you were doing it with Bali. So like, try and be a bit.
Even
smooth.
ladies, we must be open, guys. We must be open to say, yo, bro, you're doing it too fast, or you're too slow, nigga. Can you put some effort?
Did she tell you that?
I'm saying, dog.
How does she know?
Dog, like I'm saying, you see now, your insecurities now are kicking in now.
No, I don't have insecurities.
But like she must tell you that, yo, chief.
Do I have insecurities? I think I do.
So what I'm trying to say is, each and every one, if you have like your partner, you must tell her how you like it. You must talk about almost everything.
Yeah, but then they also must know how we like it. Because most women, they think when we are hard, we are turned on.
But I'm saying is they have to go both ways. Though.
Yeah, but they check this.
Yeah.
Now, if we're gonna be trying out, or maybe starting out, listen to course stuff. You know what I'm saying?
With a new hand.
Yeah,
I'm talking about with the new one.
like in any relationship, whether like it's 7 years or it's 10 years. She may be going through the whole decade or something, a whole decade, saying, "You don't turn me on like that." But she also forgets that you also need to be stimulated.
Yeah, that's true.
You get what I'm saying? Because like most women, they think, if you're hard, it's on. That's it.
Sometimes you have to get that blow and the job.
Because you need to be,
you
you need to also be prepared. You also need to get wet. Sort of like now you minimize the. You know what I'm saying?
Hug to girl.
Like no,
you still remember that hug to?
You
still remember the hug to girl?
No, though.
You don't know her?
No.
Hey, this guy's. You don't know it, not hey.
No. That's not what I focus on. If like I'm online, like if it's not about music or it's not gaming, or if it's not business, I'm not. I don't. I'm ready.
Do you have another question for me there?
Nah, not really.
Okay, guys. I think we have come to the end of our show, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press notification bell every time when we drop anything, guys. Will be notified. This was shot at Creative World Studio, guys. If you have anything, you can come through, guys. They are making music, creating beats. The guys, please come through. And then there's a number on your screen there, busy popping. If you need anything related to studio, even people want to come and shoot here, dog.
Of course.
Yes. Of course. Please come through. Vane, what do you have to say, dog?
And it's been fantastic. You get what I'm saying? It's been awesome. Yeah. Weird topics, but I guess it is.
Educational, but educational.
It's been your boy Rovain Emerald. Do check out. I'm also dropping an album very soon. It's called Strawberry Hills. Do check it out. I have good stuff there. You get what I'm saying? So
is it like Yanos hip hop? What is it?
It's hip hop.
It's hip hop.
Yeah.
Hip hoppy dog. It's hip hop, ne?
Yeah.
I can see the screen in you.
It's hip hop, but like not. Don't be expecting hard raps in there. You get what I'm saying? Don't be expecting anything. Just go listen. It's just nice music.
When are you dropping?
I'm dropping it on the 7th of December.
7th of December.
Yeah. I'm also having a launch that day. So.
Bro, it was nice having you on my thingy. I wish I can have you more, dog.
Don't worry. We
have
to
do
this
chit
thing.
chat.
You're also gonna come to mine.
Don't worry. The pod has his family, dog. The pod has his family.
Yeah.
If you need me to do anything, I'm well open to do some.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time we drop a video, you'll be notified.